Look closely at this sequence. The character design is completely stable, the dialogue is perfectly synchronized, and the lighting holds up. This level of precision requires moving past the standard glitch-heavy results of amateur text-to-video generation. To build a sequence like this, we have to solve three specific technical hurdles: locking in absolute character consistency, transferring physical human acting directly into an AI subject, and swapping backgrounds without relying on green screens. Executing this workflow requires only a basic, accessible tool stack. You need an OpenArt account, a standard AI video generator, and your smartphone camera. By mastering these specific steps, you stop treating AI video like a randomized slot machine and start actively directing your scenes. Step 1 of pre-production establishes the foundation for your cast. You must generate 3 distinct reference angles for your protagonist: a full-body character sheet, a front-facing identity portrait, and a detailed close-up. When creating these references, you must follow one strict counterintuitive rule: avoid using a white background. Instead, force the generator to use a neutral gray background. This comparison shows why that rule matters. White reference backgrounds cause blown-out facial features, while gray backgrounds produce perfectly balanced cinematic lighting. Once you have these 3 properly exposed gray-backed references, upload them simultaneously into your AI video generator. This feeds the model the exact data it needs to firmly lock in your character's facial geometry. Relying on these 3 anchored images ensures that when you change the camera angle in your scene, your protagonist maintains their original structure instead of morphing into a completely different person. With your visual references locked, we establish the prompt. A reliable video prompt relies on a rigid formula: define the context, identify the subject, and state the action. Even with a perfectly structured prompt, generating a complex scene immediately in high-resolution 1080p is a costly amateur mistake. This diagram outlines the draft workflow. Feed your prompt into a 480p block first to catch disappearing props without wasting credits. Fix errors by explicitly uploading a static reference image of the missing prop. The error clears, safely initiating the final high-resolution render. If your model completely ignores your structural prompt during these tests, translate your exact text into Chinese. Many advanced models are trained on Chinese datasets and process native instructions with much higher accuracy. Running these low-resolution drafts is a mandatory pre-production phase. It actively protects your project's continuity and preserves your budget for the actual final cuts. To pull genuine physical acting into your sequence, you physically act out the scene yourself on camera. Frame your smartphone shot so it exactly matches your intended AI composition, like a waist-up framing. Upload this live-action video as a reference and append this specific text command to your prompt. Replicate the exact hand and body movements. This split screen shows the live-action footage on the left, transferring literal human motion directly onto the generated AI subject on the right. Because the system also pulls audio data from your reference video, you must capture pristine sound using a dedicated microphone while acting. AI tools cannot fix inherently muffled or distant reference dialogue. Feeding your own physical and vocal performance directly into the model is the only practical way to break free from generic robotic movements and inject true human intent into the character. Raw AI generation has severe limitations. If you rely on standard prompting to execute complex physical interactions, like a character specifically tapping icons on a phone screen, the generation will fail. The post-production solution is to film that complex physical action in real life and process the raw footage through an AI VFX tool to isolate the subject. This diagram illustrates the logic of background replacement. Using a prompt-driven masking tool, the subject is digitally separated. The original background layer slides out, and a newly generated environment slides in perfectly behind the live-action silhouette. To seamlessly blend your live-action subject into this new AI environment, you apply an AI relighting filter. Applying a specific instruction, like a golden hour glow, ununifies the composite, perfectly matching the character's lighting to the background plate. By utilizing post-production masking and compositing, you completely bypass the boundaries of text-to-video generation and achieve shots that are otherwise impossible to prompt. Reviewing the finalized scene validates the workflow. Character details are locked, motion transfer maps the exact performance, and the background remains perfectly stable. This final result didn't happen by accident. It was built step by step through a controlled, repeatable process that completely eliminates the need to burn credits on unpredictable clip generations. You can access the specific VFX masking tools using the links in the description. Set up a neutral gray background, grab your smartphone, and map out your test footage. The AI technology in this workflow is simply the camera. It is your strict, methodical pre-production that actually makes the film.